Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make dashi with one paper. This simple technique focuses on extracting pure umami from a single, essential ingredient. You'll discover how easy it is to create a foundational Japanese broth that elevates countless dishes. This method is quick, efficient, and perfect for anyone looking to master a core culinary skill. Let's get started on this flavorful journey. To begin, gather your single piece of dried kombu. Aim for a piece roughly 4 inches by 4 inches. Before adding it to the pot, gently wipe any surface dust from the kombu with a slightly damp cloth. It's important not to wash off the white powdery substance, as this is where much of the umami flavor resides. Next, place the kombu into a pot with 4 cups of cold water. Now, place your pot on the stove and slowly heat the water and kombu over medium-low heat. The key here is patience. You want a gentle infusion, not a rapid boil. Watch carefully, and just as small bubbles begin to form around the edges, and before the water reaches a full boil, remove the kombu. Boiling the kombu can release undesirable flavors, making your dashi bitter. Congratulations! Your clear, flavorful dashi is now complete and ready to be the foundation for miso soup, noodle broths, and many other Japanese dishes. You've successfully extracted pure umami with just one simple ingredient. If you have any leftover dashi, you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.